Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes. And this time we're going to be doing a doubles version of a yo-yo. Obviously, being already able to do a singles version would be really helpful. Link in the description below. And we're going to need a new piece of technique as well. But first, let's show you the move. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you'll notice I'm right to right but left to left, so a little bit different to where we've been before, and you need to know how to get there. There are lots of nice ways to get there, but there is a piece of technique that if you can avoid using it, but it's a good one to have in your back pocket in case there's no other easy way to sort it out. And it's very simply this: if we have the ladies in one hand and we step back and we use our thumbs to gently just tap on the back of the ladies' hands, that's used as a signal in doubles so that ladies, when they get a chance, will switch which hand they have given you. So if I did that in both hands, I would now have both the ladies' left hands. So for today, we're used to being right to right and left to right. The easy way to set ourselves up for the yo-yo is to go back, but tap just the thumb on the left hand, so as you come in, the lady in the left switches hands, so when we come out, we're now right to right, left to left. You can practice that before the move, or you can practice it on its own, but we're now going to go through the yo-yo. Now the easy way to think about that is one hand at a time. So in the right hand, it is an absolutely standard yo-yo. We go back, we come in across the chest, lady picks up the shoulder, it's a twist out, a flap, a turn, face, return and back. In the other hand, it is literally the same move in mirror image. So we go back, we come in, we take the hand up towards our left shoulder, the lady comes in, connects up to our left shoulder with her hand, we twist the lady out by going wide with that hand and down towards the hip, we bring the lady forwards, bring the hand round and up and flat, we go palm to palm, elbow to elbow if we can. We effectively give the lady a return because she's going the other way round, a twist to the other way and a step back, and then a turn and a step back. You'll probably end up on the outside of the lady's hand, but that probably won't be any kind of hassle because of what we're going to do at the end. Okay, so let's do both hands together. So right to right, left to left. So it's the inside arms for the ladies. We go semicircle back. You're going to fold your arms across each other as you bring the ladies in, so you get your arms crossed, and outwards and down. Guys are heading forwards a little bit to set the ladies up, to then come back and into the big strong L shapes, both a turn and a return, one for each lady, and back, and then the opposite to finish off. So you're in this position at the end. One final piece of advice: if you're trying to get back to a grip that's going to be usual for the other moves we've already put up, all you need to do is effectively a lady spin. It doesn't matter that one of the ladies in the other hand. Once you spin, the ladies will offer their right, we can do the catch, return and back. And if you don't know how to do a double jive lady spin, the clip is already up, and again I'll stick a link in the description below. So let's have a look from the other side. In fact, we'll give the ladies a chance to do the other side, because it's worth this if you're practicing to swap which side the ladies are, because not both sides won't always feel the same. So let's talk numbers. We go back 1, in across the chest 2, twisting out 3, a little bit of a lean, in and flat 4, turn and return 5, stepping back 6, balancing up 7 and back 8. Okay, so back to where we were. And let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, a yo, yo. We go back across the chest, out, flat, turning, facing, back and look. And
that is the whole thing. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, the tap, setting up, the lady spins to get back. Or you could use the tap at the end as well.
Lady spin's a better solution. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.